In this video, I'll show you how to disable all Möbius User Tours for your user profile if you don't want to participate in them anymore. Check out the Take a User Tour help topic and video guide for more information on exploring Möbius with a user tour. You can also view the Manage My User Tour Preferences help topic and associated video guides for more information on resetting and re-enabling user tours. To disable all user tours, click on your user profile name. From here, you can click on Disable User Tours. Note that the buttons that appear here are dependent on the previous actions that you've taken with your user tours. So I will click Disable User Tours. A success message then appears showing that I've successfully disabled all user tours from my user profile. Something to note is that while you're in a user tour, before you've actually disabled them, you can actually disable all user tours from right inside of a user tour by clicking Disable All Tours. And that's how you disable all Möbius user tours for your user profile. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.